guys, I know you're not used to this, but I'm wearing this hat because I'm with a professional chef. I forgot to do the intro. So, welcome back guys to the next vlog. He'll cook ramen with me. So, he's a professional chef. He went to culinary school and worked at a hotel. This is my uncle up here. Hey, say hi.
Hi!
What uncle is doing? Oh my god, he's already finished cutting cabbage. He's so fast. That's What's next, uncle?
Water?
Olo.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, go.
Guys, I have to say something. Something.
Hi guys! Here are the ingredients. So, cabbage, then the spring onions, and the most important is kimchi packet. Let's boil some egg. First, let's add in some water.
Oh, hi, uncle. How's your progress?
It's almost done.
Okay, nice. My butt is burning. Oh, yeah, I'm so excited! I am cheese. You're cooking kimchi. Okay. Yeah, mothers, I want some kimchi.
Yes. Red! Let's add in our ramen.
Okay, let's go.
Ramen.
Whoa, that looks already
After?
cooked.
Yeah.
You just have to squeeze them in. What? It's so soft. When he used his chopsticks, it literally stabbed through his veins. Oh my god. So, first we're gonna add these in. Then, I want to do that. Okay, you can do this. I like that. What is this, uncle?
These are the seasoning.
Creamy bottom. What's next, uncle?
Okay, first you have add on the spring onion.
Uncle, what is your secret to cutting cabbage?
Cabbage.
Yeah. Uncle will put in the spices.
Here,
Oh,
guys.
hallelujah.
Yes.
Better to stress out your mouth. Whoa! It smells so good! I don't want my mouth to hurt. That's why it's time to put it in the where, uncle?
Serve it plate.
Guys, it's like the shaders in
Yes.
Minecraft. Whoa, the eggs! Brother, you just added raw eggs inside the ramen.
Yes.
You expect us to eat that? Oh. Cabbage.
Oh.
Why is that a very big piece of cabbage? Put it on top of the... This is actually a professional chef. Here guys, this smells so good.
Let's check that.
Okay. I can't wait! I love ramen! Cut the eggs. Curl up your hands. Make sure you don't cut them. Because we don't have any more hands. Because we only have 2. We have 4? I love eating the kimchi. Hallelujah. I like the kimchi box. Open it so that uncle can put in the eggs. So I'm gonna be careful. Ooh. Look at them egg. Look at them chicken. Look at them chicken. Okay. Oh, this looks so beautiful. I have to.
Huh? Oh, my food challenge.
Yes. The kimchi I'm excited about. I love kimchi. Comment down below, guys, if you like kimchi. Even Min sisters. I love mixing this up with the kimchi because the kimchi adds more flavor to it. So let's go.
It's hard enough. How about after eating?
It's so good, Uncle. Thank you so much, Uncle. This tastes so good. This was actually my craving from last night. Matilda, hi, Tinining. Wanna come join? Hi, Tinining. Let's go eat. The whole squad is here.
Guys.
I mean, Ate Nining. What do you think about this? What do you think about this? It tastes so yummy, right?
Just wait.
Yummy. It's delicious.
Just wait, guys. Oh my. Let's taste it. Okay. So yummy.
Guys, if you want more collabs with me and Uncle Jodari, like and comment and share. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Now it's time to continue eating. Peace.